For today, I will be doing DIY LEGO idea things from random LEGO parts from thrifted stores that might be helpful for you and in your collection. These LEGO builds are really simple, but this might help and give you ideas, so be sure to stay until the end of the video. So let's start! We will be sorting first the LEGO parts that we needed with the help of my team. Yes, my team. For the first build, I need a stand for my Pokemon card collection. So I came up with this simple idea. How about expanding the cell phone stand to a longer one? So I started immediately by building the base of the stand, where me and my team started sorting out the Legos. And this Lego build will serve as our base. And this is the final base plate that we are going to use for this build. Here, I am carefully checking the dimension and space of the Lego with respect to the Pokemon graded cards, since we do not want to damage our slabs. And this is what it looks like with the graded Pokemon card, but I have a little problem. When the slab leans forward, it has a tendency to fall, and we do not want our slabs to be in bad condition. So I need another layer of bricks that is not high enough to cover our card. And this is my solution, but it is still tilting. So we add another brick inside so that the slabs will be intact when we place it. To finish the spacing, I add this 1x1 Lego brick at both ends. As you can see here, it is now more stabilized. I changed the blue piece to brown one since I have limited parts of the blue. And this is our final product. This is a much better display. I still have two graded cards, so let's build their Lego stand.
A few moments later.
So this is the Lego stand for my remaining two graded cards. And then I have a problem. The display on the back was blocked by the display on the front. We needed to work around about this build. My idea is to have a higher version of the rack at the back, and this is my solution. I stacked 5 2x2 Lego bricks to make its legs so that we can increase the height of the ones at the back. I make 6 pieces of these legs to make it more stabilized. I place it on the 4 corners and the other 2 at the middle. And this is how it looks like. I put the final output in my Pokemon shelf area, and this is the final output. Just make sure to have a proper spacing so that all slabs will be seen in the display. For the second build, we will do simple organizers for the cards that are in top loader. For these top loaders, I have 3 ideas to share. This is the first one, and we will doing some illegal building technique. We will slide this top loader in between the studs of the Lego brick. This small space is enough to hold the top loader in its place. Let's build the longer one. This is the longer stand that I built, and I'm trying the 3 cards display. So this is what it looks like in the display. And now, I am showing you guys the stability of this build. Third build. In this build, I will be showing you other ways on how to display the top loaders. For this build, I will be doing it vertically. Same idea as the previous one, and the only difference is the orientation. It is a lot cleaner display, more stabilized, and you can also use this option for space saving. But in terms of space savings, our fourth build, we will be replicating these top loader bricks so that we can stack more cards since our area is very limited. This is a very simple container that will hold more top loaders. If you have tiled bricks, you can use it for its base for a smoother surface. And this piece of Lego will serve as lock for this build that can be adjusted anytime. I doubled the layer of this brick to have better stability. I add more top loaders without cards to test its durability and how it looks like with these many top loaders. It's time to put this in our shelves, and yes, it looks clean and very space saving. And for our fifth build, we will build a simple subscribe button. This was also uploaded in our shorts. Subscribe now to make my channel reach 10k since 98% watching it is not subscribed. Thank you for watching my simple Lego builds. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome creations. Keep building. See you next time. Thank you.